Transferring cryptocurrency from a Ledger wallet to Robinhood is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions. To begin, make sure you have a Ledger wallet and a Robinhood account. First, you need to set up your Ledger wallet by installing the Ledger Live application on your computer. This application allows you to manage your Ledger device and transfer funds. Next, open the Ledger Live application and connect your Ledger device to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, enter your PIN to unlock your Ledger device. Now, navigate to the Accounts tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Click on the Receive button and copy the wallet address. Then, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Click on the Transfer button and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Paste the wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the transaction and wait for the transfer to be processed. This may take a few minutes, depending on the blockchain network. Once the transfer is complete, you can verify the transaction on the Blockchain Explorer or on your Robinhood account. It is essential to note that transferring cryptocurrency from a Ledger wallet to Robinhood may incur some fees, such as network fees and withdrawal fees. Always double-check the transaction details and fees before confirming the transfer. Additionally, make sure to follow best practices for securing your cryptocurrency, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can easily transfer cryptocurrency from your Ledger wallet to Robinhood. Remember to always prioritize security and follow best practices when handling cryptocurrency transactions.